I'm using a medium-sized raw papaya. First I'm peeling the skin and then I'm going to roughly chop the papaya into small pieces. Add the roughly chopped raw papaya pieces into a pressure cooker. Add in half cup water, half teaspoon turmeric powder, sea salt as needed. As a souring agent, I am adding in 3 pieces of kokum. Kokum is also known as Garcinia indica. Instead of kokum, you can use 1 piece of kudampuli, also known as Garcinia cambogia, or a small piece of tamarind soaked in water. And now give this all a good mix. And then I'm going to pressure cook this for about 2 whistles. After 2 to 3 whistles, turn off the flame and allow the pressure to depressurize by itself and then open the cooker. While the raw papaya is getting cooked, I am making a coconut masala for the curry. Into my small chutney grinder, I am adding in half cup of grated coconut. This is freshly grated coconut. 1/4 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 green chilies. Green chilies I am breaking into half and adding in. You can increase or decrease green chilies as per your taste. A sprig of fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folate. 3 to 4 shallots. Add in some water and I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. Okay, now the coconut masala is nicely ground. Let's check on the raw papaya. The raw papaya is nicely cooked. With a potato masher, I'm mashing the cooked raw papaya. Add in 1 cup of water into the mashed raw papaya. Give it a stir. Add in the ground coconut. Give it a stir. Now if you want slightly thinner consistency, you can add in little extra water, maybe 1/4 cup of water. But this is the consistency I prefer to have this curry with rice. And once it starts to boil, give it a stir. And once it boils, turn off the flame. For the Tadka, I am heating my Tadka pan with 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts to crackle, I am adding in 3 whole Kashmiri chilies which I am breaking into half and adding in. 3 to 4 shallots finely sliced. 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves. I am just stirring the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Give it a stir. Pour the Tadka over the papaya curry. Give it a stir. Cover and let it sit for about a minute and then you can serve it. And my super healthy papaya curry is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with rice or with roti.